If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Rocket League, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check for updates. Ensure that both Rocket League and your gaming platform PC console are updated to the latest version. Updates often include fixes for bugs and performance issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam or Epic Games to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Clear cache. For consoles, clearing the cache can help. Power off your console, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. For PC, you can clear the cache by deleting specific files in the game directory. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Rocket League. This can resolve deeper issues that may be causing the loading screen to get stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in Rocket League. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.